So this is the electric wing aerial on a Polo Coupe, replacing the original factory fitted one. And this is the interior. There you go. 2 wires, blue and red. L-shaped bracket. That's the switch that comes with the aerial. So the switch comes with the pre-wired connectors. The yellow one goes the positive, the black one negative, the red one goes to the wire that comes from the aerial, and the blue one as well. And it's all fitted down here. These 2 wires coming from the aerial. That's the positive, that's the negative. And you can flick it up and down. Okay, so this is what it looks like once fitted. It's nice and tight. And I've also taped all the wires up. And let's see how it works.